Good morning guys, good morning. Today it's 7 o'clock in the morning here in Hong Kong. And ayun guys, nag-walking lang tayo, no? In front of me guys, makikita mo yung Ferris there just started actually. And nag-ooperate na sila guys kasi 7 o'clock na in the umaga, no? Yan po yung Hong Kong Island. It is typical like look at that, it's very foggy. Yan talaga ang kadalasan dito sa Hong Kong guys. Medyo malamig ngayon, no? And kaya ayan, nag-umpisa pala yung mga tao oras around midnight last night guys. Lupat na ng tao, buhay na buhay pa itong city, pero around this time as in patay na patay siya, no? Wala talaga masyadong tao unless yung mga nagbibiyahe, unless yung mga turista or people about to go to work kasi 7 o'clock na ng umaga. So ayan guys, yung mga ferry natin nag-umpisa na mag-operate. And yan talaga yung Hong Kong guys, tingnan mo. And foggy talaga, ganito talaga siya. And for me, I did once, and for photography only, gumising ako ng maaga dito. And just to take photo of the harbor so early in the morning. So ayan guys, tingnan mo yung mga skyscrapers, no? Foggy pa talaga sila, alright? And wala pa masyadong tao. Ayan, that's the Victoria Harbor. And that's the main Hong Kong Island, alright? So ayan guys, thank you very much for watching. And I do hope to see you next time. Bye-bye!